Here I'm going to talk about how to install echoice2, the new package for choice modeling. So you head over to the GitHub page, and that gives you instructions on how to install it directly from GitHub. You could go another route. You could go to the latest release. So as I'm taking this video, version 0.15 is the latest release. You can use the zip file if you are using Windows, or you can also download the source code file, and then you can actually install from that. If you're using RStudio, in the Packages tab, there's an Install button. Yeah, by default, it's probably going to be set to cron, but this package is not on cron. So you can select a package archive, and then you go to wherever you downloaded that tar file or the zip file, and then you can install from that downloaded file. What I would usually recommend, though, is to directly install from GitHub. Keep in mind that you need to be able to compile code. So on Windows, you need to have installed the R tools, and on OS X, you need the command line interface tools installed in order to do that. So this is how to actually run the installation. First, there's a system setting that you should change, telling the remotes package not to convert warnings to errors. The latest version of remotes shouldn't do that, but depending on what version you've installed, it may still do that. And then if there's a slight warning about an outdated dependency, that would actually cause the entire installation to stop, and we don't want that. So then you can install the package. If you want the vignette to be included, then you should use the build vignettes argument and set it to true. And then you run this command. This will download the package. It will ask you if you want to update other packages. I'm not going to do that. My packages are almost up to date. I don't need the very latest version for my package to run. So we're fine here. You could update all of the packages. It will then get the latest version available for everything. You can say cron packages only, especially on Windows. This is a bit faster. It will only download the latest binary versions from cron to update existing packages. That should be a little bit faster. So as you can see now, it's done some prep steps already. Now it's building the vignette. That takes maybe an extra minute or so to complete, but it shouldn't take too long. And then once it's done building the vignette, it will install the package and copy it into the corresponding folder, and then we're able to use the package. Almost there. Okay, now the package is installed. And you are then also able to see the package here in this Packages tab. You don't see it just yet. You need to refresh this. And then if you head down here, you see echoice2 is now installed. And then you have access to the help pages. And you can also head over to view the vignette. We can take a look at the HTML version, which is a bit nicer to look at. And so here you see a lot of instructions and examples and explanations that you can work with.